I don't want to hear about it anymore. It's a shame I've got to live without you anymore. There's a fire in my heart, a pounding in my brain. It's driving me crazy. We don't need to talk about it anymore.